In this lecture, we will see next option under this contour milling, and this option is fixed axis guiding curve. So in this option, we cut any surface with fixed direction and with fixed axis. Okay, so here I have a fixed guide. So this is the guide, and I want to cut this upper surface with reference to this guide curve. So I have a tool, and my option is this. Here it is. Program is this finish core, and my tool is this ball mill. We can use ball mill, bull mill, or spherical mill. Okay, only these three type of tool we can use for this fixed axis guiding curve. Okay, and the geometry is workpiece. Okay, and my method is finish. Okay, so here we have three type of pattern. See, one is constant, morphing, and racetrack. So first we will see this constant offset, and here we have to define one guide curve. So this is my guide curve, you can see. Okay, so cut side, I want to cut on the both side of this curve, means from this right side and left side. I want to cut this on both side, and my cut pattern is zigzag. So zigzag pattern will come here and it will cut along guide. As per the guide, it will create the toolpath, and cut order from left to right. From left to right, it will start. Step over is I'm selecting this number, and distance and step over. So 5% of tool diameter, and number of step is selected 5, and also I'm taking his distance as 3. Like that, and change this to 3. And the cut sequence is by lane, means you are cutting whole the region or a single region. So we can select from here. If you select single region, so only single region will create. This is something like level and the depth first. Okay, so this is level, means all the region will create, and only selected region will create cut with this by region. Okay, so I'm not making any change in this. So just keep this settings, and from geometry select area to cut. This surface I want to cut. Okay, and click to generate the toolpath. See, the toolpath is starting from here and it is ending at here, and my center line is this. So both side it is creating the toolpath. If you will see, check this. Okay, here my axis is fixed. When we use this option for variable axis, that time the tool axis will also change. Okay, so come to main, and this time I'm going to change cut side to left. Okay, and generate, and let's see the result. It will cut only left side of this curve, so only left side is cut. Okay, and again I'm going to change this to jig, and both select. Now the cut pattern is jig, right, and again I'm making it to zigzag, and this time my side is right, and cut pattern along guide cut order towards guide. Okay, so cut order towards guide and generate it. So this time it will take right side and it will create cut pattern towards guide, cut order towards guide. So this is the fixed axis guide curve, and in next lecture we will see the other option. So click